We're gonna be teaching you guys and Johnny how to make that sound. First step is the spool. So the spool is basically you're just whistling upwards in pitch with your mouth. Do it. Second step is the. You guys thought I made good car sounds? Johnny, let's hear your sututu. Okay. So in order to make the, what we're gonna do is build up some air in your mouth, and you're gonna exhale while letting your tongue go to the top of your mouth automatically. It's like a T sound. And then just add some pitch. I hope this helps. Johnny, did it help?
It helped. Hit him up. He's the best turbo guy of all time.